I'll be showing you guys how to make paper fake nails. So this is a very easy way of making a paper fake nail, and it is useful too. So many of you guys would like to have fake nails, and you don't have nails, but if you go to the shop they'll be costly and your parents won't allow you to buy them. So you guys can make fake nails easily at your home, and you can have them on every time you like. So now without any further delay, let's get started, and we'll be seeing how to make this beautiful fake nail. So you guys can make many of these, and you can stick it in all your fingers. So you can just keep them somewhere and store them, and whenever you're going out you can put them on. So this is really cute and it's easy too. So if you don't have nails, and if you're not allowed to grow nails, and if you're not allowed to have nails for your school, and if your parents don't allow you to have fake nails on, you can just make these, and you can even gift it to your friends and family, and you can wear this. So now let's get started. So before we get started, I'm just going to be removing this nail over here. So I'm just going to keep it aside. So as you guys see, it's really nice and cute like this. So you guys can put any pattern you like. So I'm just going to be keeping it aside, and I'm just going to be taking a small piece of paper like this. So my fake nails are going to be green in color, so I'm taking green. You guys can take any color you prefer. So the first step is that I'm folding the paper once like this. So it's just like a small rectangular piece of paper. And now I'm folding it one more time. Now I'm turning the paper to the opposite side, and I'm folding it once, and I'm going to be folding it again one more time like this. So after you do this, I'm just going to be opening it, and I'm just going to be doing it in this size because if you just fold it one more time, it'll be too thick and it'll be hard to cut. So I'm just going to be keeping this as the correct size, and I'm just going to be cutting out a nail from this. So I'm just going to be keeping my hand measuring it, so I know how the size of my hand, so how would my finger measure. So you guys can take the size from your hands. So I'm just going to be cutting out like this, and I'm just going to be turning it onto the top part over here, slowly like this, and I'm just going to be making it come down over here, and I'm going to be cutting it. So even if the size is correct, please cut it at the corner part, or the pieces will stick together. So I'm just going to be cutting it out at the bottom too over here, and I'm going to be opening it like this. So after we see, you guys can see that we'll have like about 8 pieces like this. So if we not cut it at the corner, then it will stick together like this. Then we have to cut it down like this, so just look like a folder or something of oval. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be applying some glue on top of one paper like this, and I'm taking another paper and I'm sticking it on top of this. So now I'm just going to be pressing on it on top, and I'm going to be applying some force. So I'm just doing this for the thickness. So if you do this, it will be nice and thick. So you should not do it at the beginning itself, not glue it together, or if you cut it wrongly, it won't be perfect. So if you do this like this, it will be more perfect and nice. So I'm just going to be applying some glue one more time, and I'm going to be sticking another paper on top of this like this. So I'm just going to be repeating the same step until all the paper is over and gone. So I have only 3 more pieces left, so I'm just going to be finishing them too. So please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload a video. So I only have one more left after I stick this one, and I'm just going to be applying glue over here, and I'm sticking it. So I'm just going to be spreading the glue using my fingers. So you guys can take any tool you like, but if you use your finger, please wash your hands thoroughly after some time. So I'm just going to be keeping it on my finger. So you guys see it's in perfect size. So it's correct for this finger, but for this one it's a little bit big. So I'm just going to be taking it for this thumb finger. Now I'm just going to be taking a marker, or you guys can take any pen as well. So I'm taking a pen, you guys can take anything, and you're going to be drawing your own design over here. So I'm just going to be drawing small flowers over here. So I'm just going to be drawing a circle, and I'm coloring it in, and I'm just going to be drawing small 4 petals like this. So you guys can repeat the same step on all the pieces like this. So I'm just going to be doing it on the entire paper, so you guys can do this slowly. So after we complete this, I'll do like about 5 flowers over here, and I'm just going to be drawing small dots like this all over the paper. Now after we complete this, I'm just going to be closing my pen. So if you use a marker, you can close that, and I'm just going to be folding the paper gently inwards like this. So I'm just going to be keeping it over here. So now I'm just going to be taking some tape over here. So please be careful while using tape, so you don't get tape on your fingers, and you also don't cut it by the blade over here. I'm just going to be cutting some tape over here, and I'm going to be sticking it onto the top part like this. So it's okay if you stick it randomly because at last we'll be cutting it anyway. So I'm just going to be sticking it one direction over here, and now I'm just going to be sticking it onto the opposite direction on this side. So just stick it randomly all over the paper. So I'm just going to be sticking tape. So it's important to stick tape. If you don't have, just leave it. Or you guys can stick anything over here. So this is just to make it look shiny. So if you do not apply tape on it and stick tape on it, it will look normal. But if you stick tape on it, it will look more shiny and beautiful. So it's just for the glowing shininess. So it's okay if you don't have tape, if you can leave it, but your nail won't look that shiny. So you guys can also add glitter and apply tape afterwards if you add glitter, so that the glitter can stick inside and it does not come out. So I'm just cutting it at the corners, and I've done cutting it. So as you guys see, I just cut some tape out of the corners like this. So now I'm just going to be folding this paper over here gently like this. So after we fold this, you can just take it onto your thumb over here. So please don't apply glue over here, because if you do glue, then your fingers will not be in good condition. So you have many ways. So if you have nice and strong tape, you could just take a little bit of tape like this, and you can just fold it over here, and you can fold this top part underneath this, and you could apply some tape at the back part, and you could stick it like this, and you just have to press on it, and after some time it will be nice and it will be sticking together. Or you could just take this part out. Another way is that you could just stick some rice. So if you guys know boiled rice, if you stick it over here and if you stick it, it will be nice and good quality, and it will also stick properly. So if you're going to be sticking rice, do not apply tape over here at the bottom part. Just take the tape out at the bottom and only keep the tape on the top, so because rice won't stick on tape, so it will be nice if you don't apply tape over here. So last way that I did it is that I just took a small rectangular strip of tape like this. So now I'm just going to be turning it over here, and I'm going to be sticking it over here. And I'm just going to be turning it like this, and I'm sticking one part over here, and I'm turning this paper and I'm sticking one more over here. It's this one is very strong, and it will also keep nice and strong like this. As you guys see, I'm just patting on it and it's not breaking. But if you do this, sometimes it might come out, so that's the only disadvantage. So you guys can stick rice, and you can even put any other substance to glue it on. So only the hard part is for gluing it, so you guys can use anything you like for that. So after we complete this, our paper fake nails is ready. So you guys can put it anywhere you like. I'm just going to be putting this one over here. So as I said, our fake nails are ready, and it's also very beautiful and cute. So you guys can wear this to any party you like, and you can also make it gift it to your friends and family members. So you guys can put your own designs over here, stick glitter, and do many things over this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. So before you conclude, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you'll receive more notifications whenever I upload a video. And also subscribe to my channel and share it with all your friends and family for more interesting videos like this. And comment in the comment box if you enjoyed this video of making paper fake nails. So you guys can do this for all your fingers on both your right and left hand, but I prefer you do it only on one hand, because if you do it on both hands, then it will be hard for you to stick, and you need someone's help for sticking it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys next time on Crafty Kids. Thank you for watching. Bye.